Hi, this is Sava, Technical Director of CallU, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about why our exclusive, sleek design of the AC systems we install are perfect for your apartment. When it comes to the heart of the system, the bit that we conceal somewhere, the true heart of the system, we have designed that unit so it's very compact, very small, doesn't make much noise at all, can be further insulated so you hear nothing, doesn't need to breathe, doesn't get hot, and it's been designed in such a way so not only is it small, compact, etc., but it's designed to connect up to your standard water, waste, power which is available within your apartment. The fan coils, the bit in the room that blows out the air, again, fantastic design. Very sleek, very small, designed to be white with no branding on them, so they blend in perfectly with a typical white wall setup at high level. You won't even notice they're there, but ultimately they will give you perfect, quiet performance to cool your space. But then we need to get between the two. This is where we come into our true experience and specialization. We do this every day. We'll go over your ceilings, everything will be concealed, and most installations just take one single day. So that was me, Sava, explaining a little bit about how we do things and what they look like. If you want any more information on this, please do visit our website or give us a call on the number below. Thank you.